Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to replace or change a welding wire for MIG welding machine. For that I move a camera to welding machine and explain you how to do that. Okay, what we need for this job? For this job we need mine tool, that is a pliers. Any pliers will be good. Of course, we need a new spool with welding wire. This one it's a 5.3 kilograms welding wire. That's called as mid-size. Here, how we can see, here stay a small spool. This one I use for very short welding because I don't want to go to shop for new spool. This is gasless wire. For emergency situation I hold this small rule. If something need quick done, I have some welding wire. Now it's time to replace for standard one. For that one, this is portable welding machine. It's lightweight. This comes original with 5.3 kilogram mid-size welding spool. No big difference, just workshop welding machines, which ones don't call us portable. Them comes with bit bigger. It comes a 15 kilogram welding spool. It's on same look, just bigger size. Principle anyway, it's same. First thing what we need to do, that's switch out welding machine. That's it, that job done. Leave a minute here. First thing we need cut off existing welding wire. That we do with pliers. Okay, we just unscrew. Oh, we don't lose them. We take off small spring and washer. Different welding machines can be a little bit slightly different combination, and we slide off. Normally all portable welding machines approve both size, mid-size and small size. Small size not always possible use with non-portable welding machines. Them need probably rebuild because here comes a big hub. Okay, we can wear in and a little bit bend, and we can put in shelf. Next thing, for all portable welding machines can be slight different, but we have a special hub. This one not need loose. We now need use again. Okay, we can start open welding wire. Just a minute. We before prepare welding machine. We see here it's some mechanism which one tightens a welding wire. We just push, and how you see here opens a bearing ruler which ones feed a wire, and on bottom is second one, and it comes exactly inside. Next one, we take a welding gun. This is the take off cap, screw off nozzle, put here, and now we can just take these pliers and just move out. Okay, now our welding machine is free from wire. This one we can't use. We throw out on scraps or bin. Okay, we throw out. Now we can open welding wire. It always comes wrapped in plastic. Just the plastic we take off, and here comes some paper as well. Paper too we take off, and sorry. Now we see it's welded in, and we need to take out. Always need to think about how correct fits them. I just now take out and show you what happens. Okay, need to be careful, because if you lose the end, it spins and wears out. If we put like that, some people try to do it first time. We can't wear in. We need to turn around like that on when it's on bottom. How we see this end, it's bent, we can't wear in. We just need cut off. And on target, it's wear in here, slide through and wear in this small one tube, can say. How I do that? This is very small machine, on size small. This spring where it's wears in comes very close to spool, and it's hard to get in first time. I just first wear in. Just leave here 1 minute. I push his finger. If your finger is so big, you can take some screwdriver, and you see it slides in. A little bit with hand slide in, and after that it's fine. Now be careful when it don't spins off. Okay, and now we can wear this one. You see here it's some small extension, which one comes exactly in. After that we put a washer, spring and screw. Not too tight. You see, now it's too tight. Just bit loosen. Should be okay. Here I have lost this bolt, original bolt. For that I use just standard nut. That's it, job done. Next you switch on and just press the trigger, and white when wire comes out. It's not necessary switch on gas, you can do that without gas. Why I take off nozzle and tip, because sometimes if your tip is welded, sometimes it's jammed in and it starts here make problems, and you need to take out all wire and start again. If here it's free, it comes more easy. When comes out a wire, I just show you. Just now we can put on vertical position welding machine. We switch on where it is. Okay, it's switched on. 1 second, I just somewhere lose a welding tip. Probably fall down. Take a look. One second. Let's fall down. Okay, I think I can do that. Okay, I get another one.